Welcome to Star Technology 5G. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install a XAMPP server. A XAMPP server is also used to convert a personal computer into a web hosting server. The installation of a XAMPP server is different from a local by Flywheel, so watch the complete video carefully and follow the all steps. Let's start the video. Open any internet browser and search Apache, friends. Open the first link. XAMPP Apache plus MariaDB plus PHP plus Perl. From here, you can select your platform. For Windows, for Linux, for Mac. I am using Windows, so I will click on Windows. The file is downloading. Open a new tab. Search www.wordpress.org. Get WordPress. Download and install it yourself. Download WordPress. Click on Download WordPress. WordPress is downloading. The download is finished. Open folder. Double-click on Setup File. If any antivirus is running on the PC, please switch it off and click on Yes. Important because an activated user account control on your system, some function of XAMPP are possibly restricted. With UAC, please avoid to install XAMPP. OK. Set up XAMPP. Next. Select Components. Next. From here, you can change your installation path. I will recommend you do not install software in C drive. If you install the software on the C drive and Windows gets corrupt, you will lose all your data. But I am just teaching you, so I will go with the default path. Next. Language. English. Next. Ready to install. Next. Allow access. Finish. Click on Start, and click on XAMPP Control Panel. Here is the XAMPP Server Control Panel. Now you need to start these applications. Apache. Click on Start. MySQL. Click on Start. Allow access. Now open Internet browser. Open new tab. And search localhost. Click on PHP, MyAdmin. Here, we can create a database. PHP, MyAdmin. Click on New. Create database. Database name. My website data. And click on Create. Table name. Number of columns. Here you can change the number of columns. Open the download folder. Unzip file. Right-click. Extract the file here. Copy this folder. Click on C drive. Open XAMPP. Open htdocs. And paste here. Folder copied. Close all tabs. Click on localhost. Remove all text. /WordPress and enter. Select your language. English. Continue. Welcome to WordPress. Before getting started, you will need to know the following items. 1 database name. 2 database username. 3 database password. 4 database host. 5 table prefix. Let's go. Before install the WordPress software, we have to create a database. Database name. My web data. Username. Root. Password. Empty. Database host. Localhost. Table prefix. Here you can write any prefix. WP123. Submit. Alright, Spark, you made it through this part of the installation. WordPress can now communicate with your database. If you are ready, time now to run the installation. Welcome. Welcome to the famous 5-minute WordPress installation process. Just fill in the information below and you will be on your way to using the most extendable and powerful personal publishing platform in the world. Information needed. Site title. Star Technology 5G. Username. Admin. Password. Create your password. You can also hide your password. Your email. startechnology5g@gmail.com. Install WordPress. Success. WordPress has been installed. Thanks you and enjoy. Username admin. Password. Login. Here is the login page. Show password. Here is password we wrote. Login. Here is the home page of WordPress. Visit site. Here is a very basic default website. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Star Technology 5G. Please like and share the video.